Welcome to Amazing Animals. This channel was created to help educate you on many animals that live amongst us all over our beautiful planet. Today, you'll be learning about the amazing kangaroos. Kangaroos, with their unique physiology and fascinating behaviors, are among the most iconic animals on the planet. Native to the country of Australia, they symbolize the country's diverse and rich wildlife. As marsupials, kangaroos are distinct not only in appearance, but also in their reproductive processes and adaptations to their environment. In this video, we will explore the biology, behavior, ecological significance, and cultural importance of kangaroos, shedding light on why they are both loved and respected worldwide. Kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, meaning big foot. This name reflects their defining feature, long, powerful hind legs adapted for jumping, but because of their long feet and large tail, kangaroos cannot walk or hop backward. There are 4 primary species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, the eastern gray kangaroo, the western gray kangaroo, and the antilopine kangaroo. Kangaroos can live in a wide variety of different habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and bushlands, with sparse woods or no trees at all. Male kangaroos are called bucks, boomers, or jacks, while female kangaroos are called does, flyers, or jills. Kangaroos are more active at night and sleep lying down during the day in the shade of trees and shrubs, or in a dip they dig in the dirt. Some kangaroos can grow up to 2 meters tall and are known for their remarkable hopping ability, capable of reaching speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour and covering distances of 9 meters in a single leap. Their unique physiology allows them to conserve energy, especially in the vast, resource-scarce landscapes of Australia. For mating, kangaroos engage in a brief courtship period but do not form long-term pair bonds, so after impregnating the female, the male plays no other role in the development of the young. Female kangaroos sport a pouch on their belly, made by a fold in the skin, to cradle baby kangaroos called joeys. The gestation period of kangaroos is one of the shortest in the animal kingdom. It only takes kangaroo babies between 28 and 34 days to be born. These tiny newborns immediately make the journey from birth canal to their mother's pouch by clambering up through her fur. Once safely in the pouch, the joey suckles milk solidly for at least 2 months. At around 6 months, when the baby kangaroo is sufficiently well developed, it will leave the pouch for short periods, returning when it needs to eat. Once it no longer uses the pouch, the young kangaroo will remain with its mother for another 1.5 years, growing to its adult size. If the joey's development goes smoothly, then it can expect to reach sexual maturity within the first 2 years of age. The life expectancy of the typical kangaroo is around 20 years in the wild and often longer in captivity. The kangaroo is a highly social animal that likes to congregate in groups of between 10 and 100 individuals at a time, which are known as mobs, troops, or courts. The most common social arrangement involves a group of females, their offspring, and 1 or more males who establish their position through displays of strength and occasional combat with rivals. The familiar boxing behavior for which they are known is a male-only competition to determine who gets access to females. These matches take a ritualized form in which one male issues a challenge and the other male can accept or decline. The males lock arms, push each other, and kick out while standing on the tail. Kangaroos use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and physical gestures to communicate. For instance, they may thump the ground with their feet to warn others of potential danger. Mothers and joeys use soft clicking sounds to maintain contact, while males may emit grunts during fights or courtship. As herbivores, kangaroos primarily feed on grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Just like sheep and cattle, kangaroos have chambered stomachs, meaning they regurgitate their food and chew and swallow it again before it is eventually digested. Kangaroos rest under trees or shrubs during the heat of the day and come out to feed in the cool of the evening and overnight. Surprisingly, kangaroos can go a long time without drinking water due to the moisture in the plants they eat. As grazers, they help maintain grassland health by preventing overgrowth and promoting plant diversity. Their droppings enrich the soil with nutrients, supporting a range of plant and insect species. A fully grown adult kangaroo has few natural predators in the wild. However, dingoes, feral cats, and foxes do sometimes feed on juveniles or dead kangaroos. Kangaroos are routinely hunted by humans, which is regulated and even encouraged as a way to control wild population numbers. These practices often spark debates over animal rights and ecological priorities. There are more than twice as many kangaroos as people on the continent of Australia, according to official government figures, and some people consider them pests. Landholding farmers say that the country's estimated 50 million kangaroos damage their crops and compete with livestock for scarce resources. For many people in Australia, kangaroos are deeply symbolic, representing strength, endurance, and connection to the land. In modern Australia, kangaroos are national icons, appearing on the country's coat of arms, coins, and even a major airline logo. Although there are people around the world who keep kangaroos as pets and even breed them, they are not domesticated and cannot be treated like a dog or cat. They don't walk on leashes, they don't do tricks, and require a fairly large outdoor area to roam, along with a specially trained veterinarian for health care. Kangaroos have captured the imagination of people worldwide, appearing in films, books, and television shows. They are often portrayed as quirky or endearing characters, further solidifying their status as cultural ambassadors for Australia. However, these portrayals can sometimes lead to unrealistic expectations about their behavior and ecology. Kangaroos are not considered an endangered species but face numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat destruction due to urbanization, agriculture, and mining reduces their access to food and shelter. Additionally, there are thousands hit by cars every year, particularly in rural areas. Efforts to reduce these incidents include wildlife crossings, road signage, and public awareness campaigns. The future of kangaroos depends on the balance between conservation efforts and human development. Continued research and education are essential to fostering coexistence between kangaroos and people. By promoting sustainable practices and protecting habitats, we can ensure that these remarkable animals continue to thrive in their native landscapes. Kangaroos are more than just symbols of Australia. They are extraordinary creatures that embody resilience, adaptability, and ecological importance. From their unique biology to their cultural significance, kangaroos inspire awe and curiosity. By understanding and respecting these amazing animals, we can appreciate the intricate web of life they are part of, and work towards a future where humans and wildlife coexist harmoniously.